Welcome back to another video, everyone, and today we will be learning how to use the modeling section in Roblox Studio. So let's get straight to it. To start, place down a few parts. As you can see here, this part has been combined with another part, and now it is one unison part, allowing you to do multiple things with it, especially like moving it around and scripting. Be aware if you have multiple materials or colors, it will bind into one of those materials or colors from one of the parts, and it will not keep both parts differently. Whenever you're combining things with the modeling thing, it will always make it like a singular part. Each thing that was combined will share the same material and color. Use Control and hold and click on another object. I repeat, use the button Control and hold Control and click both parts, then click on Union while the negate part is inside of the other part. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video, everyone. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and make sure to share the channel, because we're actually getting a lot of engagement and views, but only about 13 to 20% of people watching are actually subscribed. Thank you for watching. Have a great night, /day, or evening, or whatever, wherever you are.